Guys, my name's Ron Cockin, and today we're going to make a pub. Trying to find some good places to build it in. I don't know about here, I'm guessing. So, it's going to be a fairly small pub, but what am I doing? I'm not so stupid. I'm stupid. All things bright and beautiful, all the heads big and small. They know what I'm talking about. ISIS, let's kill them all. And I don't mean ISIS kills, I mean we kill ISIS. That's me went to a song just in case I got really flagged. All things bright and beautiful. D-bags big and small. Why did I say D-bags? I could say douchebags. So I'd like to ask a question. Yeah, you let me have to leave in comments or something you could think about. 3 questions. What's your favourite game, favourite movie, and your favourite like celebrity? So, my favourite movie is Boys in the Hood. Favourite celebrity, like singer-wise, I'm gonna go with, I don't know, there's a few I like. Probably, another question, favourite wrestler. So I'm a favourite celebrity, I have Simon Pegg, Ice Cube, yeah. And my favourite singer is a rapper called Eazy-E. Favourite, what did I say? Favourite movie, favourite celebrity, favourite musician. My favourite wrestler is Tyler, Stone Cold and Razor Ramon. My favourite modern wrestler, however, is probably Usos, Kane and Aaron. All-time favourite, Stone Cold and freaking Razor Ramon, aka Scott Hall, because they're just epic. Am I talking too much, guys? Because I know I talk a lot, I'm sorry. I should really skip edit video, but I'm using my tablet to record today. I could do shabagging an hours. I might make a part 2 of this. Just so you're not watching like a 10-hour video and then I'd have to edit it down and it go all mental and bollocks knows what had happened. And I was thinking, I don't think I did an intro. Did I do an intro today? If I didn't do an intro, here it is. What is up, guys? My name's Ron Cockin. I'm going to play Minecraft. Honestly, I'm sure I forgot. You get it. Not adding anyone shout at y'all because we've like only just done that in my last video and this is like part 2 to my last video, kind of. So in our last video we made an indoor pub in my house. This video we're making a pub, like a proper pub. What? I'm just gonna make it. It's gonna be fairly big, but it's got to have male toilets. I don't know. In fact, we'll do toilets now because I've got an idea for toilets. Not really an idea, but where we're gonna do it. What idea? I know a lot of my fans probably think Minecraft's sucking me. I get addicted to it, really. I like it, I just get really addicted to it. Which is kind of bad. Why the hell do I want this crap? I do want the door. I know what doors are, I'm not a fake god. Girl toilet, no. Yeah. Exit there. Girl toilet there. Men toilet there. Oh, this is female toilet. I'm definitely probably going to make a part 2 to this. It's going to... I don't want to upload too long videos because for some reason I'll make a video what will be like a minute, 20 minutes longer and it apparently won't upload because it's, I don't know, it's my tablet messing up. But it's going to see how long we're going for here. 6 minutes already. Our time flies when you're watching someone play a computer game on your own tablet when you could be playing it yourself. I've just defended people on sorry. I'm an offensive person, so much stuff will come out of water. For an example, let's kill ISIS. I really hate this music what comes on. We yet sing to it. This music's terrible. You know, it sucks. Yeah, this music, it sucks. It sucks. Oh yeah, you know it. I'm just singing. Whoa, what am I? I really do just make random noises at times, don't I? He is going to kick your effing ass, and you know his name is Kyle Gas. Rockin' and effing rolling, rockin' and effing rolling. I cannot swear I'll get in trouble, but my parents they don't allow that. How's that for a toilet? It sucks. Okay, fun art. Guys, please tell me what challenge you want me to do next. Like Jacob Stocks, please leave a comment. What challenge do you want me to do next? I'll do oat. Not oat, but a lot of things. If you're a fan to my videos, tell me what do you want me to do next in comments. Because I don't know what you want me to do next. In fact, I don't even think God knows. Okay, that's a bit stupid. Oh, for God's sake, I'm offending people back. Sorry guys, that's left me to believe that people are going insane, including me. Oh, I've just missed camera now. Please see it on camera. I mean, camera sucks, I'm sorry. I'm acting a bit strange today. Maybe it's because I'm excited. Excited for what you say? Excited for chickens. OMG, I suck and I'm using slang too much. I'm going to kill myself because I'm messed off this. Get me. Shake. Small. Something I don't like to do is I hate public toilets. They suck, they smell, they overbody. Don't like to sit on them, and they're just disgusting in my opinion. Never going to touch them in my life. Never ever. I will never sit on them. Bye bye. Part 1 over.